Hey guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can set up the bundle builder inside of your own store using Rapi Bundle. Before we dive into the technical stuff and how you can do it step by step for your own product, I quickly want to show you this example to make you realize how crazy this bundle builder feature actually is and how it works. So in here we have the Nova cream, just a quick example. And instead of a simple buy one, get one free, buy two, get two free offer, whatever, we actually have the build your own bundle, the bundle builder right here. And how it basically works, let's say I'm the customer. I buy the Nova cream, for sure it's included, but everything else, the other two items right here, they can be selected by the customer. So I can, for example, go with the Nova eraser and the Nova spray. So 3 complementary products. Or let's say I want to have 2 Nova creams and 1 Nova spray, and so on and so forth. So that's exactly how the bundle builder works. Complementary products can be added inside of a bundle and the customer can pick. Now I want to show you how you can actually build it. So let's get straight into this. You want to go to Rapi, to the bundle that you want to make changes on, or that you want to basically implement the bundle builder. In this case for us it's the Nova eraser product that we want to make that change on. In here you want to go to offers. If you already have a buy one, buy two option, just like me, you want to make sure you make a new offer, add offer. Go to that one. Once you're on that offer, make sure to turn on, let the customer build his own bundle. Once that's turned on, you have successfully turned on the bundle builder. What it essentially does is that customers can build their own bundle by adding products from your store however they like. It's not set by you, they can actually randomly pick some products. Once it's enabled, you can play around with the layout. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. Me personally, I like it when it's next to each other, so we're just gonna select that when it's basically displaying in one row. In here, you can choose the products that the customers can actually select. So if we click on select product, the customer will see these 3 products that are obviously matching. It's the same brand, Nova cream, Nova eraser, Nova spray, they actually fit together. Make sure that's the case for your bundle too. You can, like me, choose specific products. In this case, I chose these 3, so the customer can choose between one of these 3. You can also choose specific collections on your store, or all products except the selected ones. Me personally, I would just go with the specific products, which are the ones that I just showed you. The next thing will just be cosmetics. You can change the image. This is just the default image that will be displayed by Rapi. In any case, if a customer decides to choose, for example, the Nova cream, it will actually be displayed with the normal product image. So this is just a placeholder that you could potentially change. Everything else, again, is cosmetics. You can make it bigger, change the text, but this is already it for setting up the bundle builder. What you can do apart from this is the normal aesthetics in offer number 3. You can obviously change the title to something like build your own bundle. Let's give it a highlight, a little timer. This is just a special offer for the customer. And then you click on save and publish. Now what the customer essentially can do is they can either buy 1, buy 2, or they can actually choose to build their own bundle, add the Nova eraser, add the Nova cream, and add the Nova spray, and then buy these 3 together in one bundle.